Welcome back to Healthy Nidhi, your place where good food is made easy. So today we are making instant pancakes packed with proteins. We start by washing the lentils with water. Then we add spinach, chickpea flour and some water. We blend everything into a smooth paste. We take tofu and wrap it up to remove excess water. In a pan, we take olive oil, chopped onions, bell peppers and any Indian spice mix or masala of your choice. Mix together in and add the tomato puree. Crush the dried tofu into small pieces. Tofu has a tendency to soak in a lot of flavor. Top it with spring onions and keep aside. Remove the batter and add the spices. Heat a cast iron skillet and pour the batter to make pancakes. Spread the filling generously. Serve these crispy pancakes with a choice of chutney or sauce or raita of your liking. Next up, we are making instant handvo or lentil cakes. We start by taking chickpea flour, millet or rice flour, finely chopped cabbage, shredded carrots and spinach. In a mortar and pestle, we pound the green chilies and ginger, and add in to the batter. Add some yogurt to give in extra softness to the cake. Add salt and combine well to mix everything together. Adding a little water and combine. Little turmeric and peanut oil. Adding baking soda and some water and combine well. So here you see the lentil cake is done and looks delicious. Invert it on a serving plate by releasing the edges. For the topping, we take peanut oil, mustard seeds, sesame seeds and asafoetida. We top it with curry leaves. Pour the topping over the handvo or lentil cake and serve the handvo immediately along with some chutney. So I hope you liked the recipe as much as I did, and in case you did, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family. Till then, happy eating!